I saw that, but with gifts in his hand. Okay, that really pissed me off.
Chili Willy, baby.
Funny as fuck.
Oh, God damn it.
I love Jolly posting. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make a Jolly post.
Whoa, I got the triple hit, guys.
I need more Christmas, you know?
You know who brought
So this is
Christmas into the server? Phobos.
Get out.
What? Oh, Cyberpunk. Do not bring it, Cyberpunk. We're not watching Cyberpunk.
The dumbest thing folks ever do is, do something.
You don't think people would get in as briefly
Jolly pump.
What Lavender second? Or just third
I'm gonna crash out if I get another ad for fucking Roblox.
Second one.
Crazy king. Scientists have captured the moment life begins when an egg is fertilized.
I got more. What's it called? Merry Christmas by Radiohead. I got more of those things. No playing in real life. That's the problem.
Wow.
Alright, wow. The first level done. The Woodpecker speedrun.
Chats. Why would they tell you anything?
What was it? Stoppers.
I like Christmas. I need more Jolly posting.
I saw Bert do a backflip. What the fuck? I love that.
Yo, KBR, you wanna play in a dam with me?
A what?
A dam?
What does that mean?
Game.
Like go into a dam, like Hoover Dam,
Yeah.
and then stand there while the water releases. Yeah, we can go swimming.
Speaking swimming, I wanna do something, but I'm actually too afraid.
I like how they're acting like Hoover Dam is dangerous or something when it's releasing water.
Wait, I'm 2 levels down, guys. Look at that. A Woody Woodpecker speedrun.
Okay.
Oh my god, this might be like a speedrun. Slowly start getting that. We'll try to get to our casual playthrough.
I'm innocent. What about you, game?
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a casual playthrough. I'm hitting with the flag 3 times. I'm aiming just attacking.
Good flop.
What?
Not gonna lie, I thought he was gonna jack off on his head.
He was
What?
behind. Hey, no, what the fuck? This is a really friendly server.
I saw a crazy video, bro. Instagram's insane.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that blows. Oh my god. Please don't lose the track! Please don't lose the track! Come on, please don't lose the track. This is like one of the few hard ones.
I am gonna explode everyone in the world.
Nope! I hit the cactus! I hit the cactus! No!
That's kind of absurd.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, well, I also got really lucky just now. I jumped like right over the guy as he moved away. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this track. He's like really bad. Please don't. Yes! 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 Oh my god, I love this game.
Wearing a Teletubby outfit is crazy,
yes.
bro.
Yes! Oh my god. I'm on a roll.
If I ever see anyone I went to high school with on any of my friend recommendations, I will kill him with a nuke.
Be surprised if anybody else chili.
Come on, Chili Willy, you can do it, Chili Willy. You're the best, Chili Willy.
You're the best chili.
Wow. Mr. Pretty to Fazbear.
Crap. And I'm gonna lose this one. I'm just gonna take some. On site. Oh, Chili Willy. Chili Willy the goat. Dude, my fucking goat. Holy crap. Oh, I think this is the boss battle. Is this? I always get confused what's what is this. Yeah, this is the boss battle. I actually do not want any of these to the server. It's the only hard to turn missiles. I think I'll just use them. establish that the hot dogs do again?
Alright,
Crap.
I'll be back in a bit.
Oh, they're hit points. Oh crap. I'm at least glad I figured it out. Oh shit. So far I've won every track on the first track. And I don't want to like jinx it. The guy is like all the way back there. I don't even have to like rush. It doesn't mean like that. It doesn't mean like hey, let's go. Alright. Italy? Alright. Making progress. Everything on the first transfer. I feel like this level might actually change that way. Honestly, this level's rough. I know this is some pretty bad things. I mean, maybe I can make it back in this one. I'm sure it's possible. Yeah. Oh, man, I think they're caught up immediately after. That's fine. Family friendly I little shit. Oh crap. Jinx it. Why they all land on it? I feel like this one I may I do honestly love that I found like every other track the hardest one. But they can't get all also I think green one on the mic. I will take this. I might take that. Oh, what is last place? Oh, wow, the two of them just completely wiped out, so I just have to beat the 3 other people. That's the other person. I think that's the other person right there. Hey, let's go. Hell yeah. Like, I'm actually not that mad at this so far. Hell yeah. I won of 6 of them in a row. Fighting the footage of 7 in a row. That's what I actually did. Oh, you little shit. Yeah, did he really want to be on a bullet? Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy that they keep on hitting me. I actually like, really want to solve it. What's the next house I can get my answer? Well, completely dodged that. So let's get the next one. Well, let's just win the first. Okay. Dude. I'm gonna end up losing the easy one. No. I'm gonna stay like working my ass off. I'm not gonna lose the easy one. Okay, the horses. It's crazy. Dude, I'm gonna lose. Please show me more. You really haven't filmed me yet. You really haven't filmed me yet. Oh my god, I love you. Holy shit. Dude, that one was a button clencher. Oh my god, that was actually the hardest one. I don't know why the easiest was the easy. But I mean, it was. Triple hit on everybody. I'm intermediate getting a claw. Okay, I'll take this one. This one's actually going like I will say that I do not like how the easiest the track is. That is not. Oh, this is one of the hardest ones. I'm honestly expecting to lose this one of these ones. If, any of them are going to lose this one. This one's actually... Just please don't end up getting it up. That one bump there might actually lose my game. I'm not even exaggerating. Oh, where's the finish line here? Oh my god. Dude, I'm winning everything.
We're getting out of here, chat.
No, it's supposed to be Steel Earth. It's supposed to be Junkyard. What did I do? Could always take a second real fast to get the keyboard back, but it's okay. Just lost my first race. Let's see if I can. Of course, that's not even bad, actually. Just the craziest one. Dude. That's not fair. That's like a really long one for this one. For some reason. Dude. Oh my god, that's not cool. Like, really not cool. Oh my god. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Really don't. You fucking cocksucker! That's so messed up. I was about to win! I was about to win! That's actually... Oh, alright. That's messed up. That's messed up. I can't believe I did that. I cannot believe I did that. That's actually insane that I did that. Please, Rob. Please don't lose this one. Please don't lose this one. Please don't fucking lose this one. Please. Oh my god. No! I fucking lost again! Oh my god. Bro. I had a really good run going, and I'm pretty sure this one is like not that good now. I lost this thing 3 times. Oh my god, it's so stupid. Actually, it's so fucking. How do you do it with that? How do you do it with that? Dude. Dude, did these guys like hop off? Sorry for getting so tilted. Oh my god, dude, this game is so fucked up. Yes! Thank fuck, dude. Holy shit. That should not have been that hard. That's actually an easy course. Should not have been that hard. Alright, so I mixed up Junkyard and Steelworks. I'm gonna have to go back. Alright, that's a little messed up. Oh my god, I'm sorry for getting so tilted. I'm sorry for getting so tilted. I should have just said some of this stuff. Dude. No. Alright. I can't believe how hard this one is actually getting for some reason. Oh, because like this mean I get to like run it back after? Maybe. I'm going to every other track on the first track. Like, I am a little bit. Kind of when I run over my I actually boosted it. Might actually boost it. Wait, was that? Oh. I was about to say, that's not Japan. Alright, I messed up Spielberg set in Junkyard. Sorry, I can't forget. I'm so dumb. That shit was just so weird. These guys are bad. Well, these guys are really lacking. No. You're actually a cocksucker. Did you know that? I was about to say something to this guy, but it would have been so fucked up.
What happened?
I was about to say, like, I hope your number gets canceled.
I hope your family has a great Christmas.
Cured right after that gets AIDS.
Crazy.
Oh my god. I can't believe I lost the one race like 4 times in a row. That's actually insane. This actually like would have been like a decent run. It's just so fun. It's like I won like every other track on the first try. Which is insane.
Yeah, I'm such a dick. This is easy.
Yeah, of course. Sorry if I get until I tilted again. One Piece, also. This is the Chilean dimension. Oh shit, this is No! Come on. Please don't pass me. Please don't pass me. Please, 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 Oh my god, that was amazing. I was like actually in there. This should be Pebble Bay now. Is Pebble Bay the golf course one? It is. Oh, whatever it's supposed to be. The phone. It's actually bullshit. This track really sucks. This track yes. All of you get the cloak, Oh my god, I couldn't second. That's crazy. This is like almost its This is insane. Wow, that landed on my own. It's actually insane.
That's good, bro.
I'm like, almost. No! please don't, listen. Yeah, they lost it, listen.
Damn. Were you recording?
Yeah.
That's rough.
Okay. This one, and another one. Actually, I messed up like 3. I messed up the one once, but then I won on the next one. I messed up 1 to 3 times, and I messed up the 1 here. Once or twice. I want to say it's Rose. I want to say this is my favorite times.
Hey, dude.
The run should almost be, I think there's only, 2 or 3 more, things like this. What about Jen?
Hello. How's it going?
Hey, go.
Oh yeah. You ready for the Super Bowl? How are you face cheaper game this week?
Come on, shoot.
I'm not really a sports guy, number one.
Super Bowl.
I don't actually care about this.
Oh my god, I lost all because of that. Oh my god, I didn't.
You don't actually care about the snack? Is that what you said?
The only thing I care about this Super Bowl is the snacks. That's the only part of it I actually care about.
Oh, the snack. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I don't really care about the sport itself. I just have an excuse to eat pizza rolls and nachos.
Yeah.
Oh, this is another part.
That's kind of how I view the Super Bowl, especially when my team's not playing in it. It's a good excuse to snack on yummy food. On the
That's so fucked up.
And since I don't really care about sports and I don't really care who wins, I just listen for whoever my family wants to win, and so I just root for the opposing team just to cause drama.
Wow.
It's actually crazy.
It's so funny.
True contrarian.
What my losses were. Oh no, never mind. No, there's another lap.
Yeah, true contrarian. I shall use close combat and raise my defenses.
Hell yeah.
Actually, my That's so fucked up. I might as well just restart this. I can't believe I'm finally like doing the work. I wanna. I'll run it back. Honestly, it's looking pretty bad. It was like good for the first like 9 that I won in a row, and then it wasn't good. What I'm gonna do for this is like save the end time, but not break it on individual scores. Well, I'll make a copy. Why a little family-friendly word.
Forks over and then Gore's cat.
Alright, I might as well just search for it.
Damn.
What? What even hit me? I'm confused what hit me. Wait. What even hit me? That's not fair. Nope. Oh, of course. I forget the book that strap was. Remember, I was like... How many levels are left? There's exactly 2 left. Alright. Wow, about 2 are just boss battles now.
I'm also the Pirates of the Caribbean.
What about the Pirates of the Caribbean?
Caribbean?
Oh shit. No. There's no way that just happened. There's no way that just happened. What this box sucks. Honestly, I deserve to be for the back of this one. Like that. Looks like it's further back.
On earth do all these schools stay in business when every single time I drive by them, there's not a single car in the frickin' lot?
That's a great question. It's all a setup by the government to trick you into staying there forever.
Alright, one more and then this run is over, dude. Hell yeah.
Business neighborhood, not a single car. Although we're in Tennessee, I mean, like, there's
This
most
should be the
things
very
that
last
people
one. Yeah, this is the very last one.
pepper science ideas. Oh, I'm
All
your
the
wife
bosses are
by that.
on one big battle. Also, what the fuck was that noise I just made? That was the weirdest noise I made. Woo! I hope I never do that again.
I hope you do it again just because how funny it was.
Come on, game. Come on, game. Come on, game. Come on, game. Come on, Gabe. I want this speedrunner video.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want to see through the window of a barber shop. All of the people who are cutting hair are bald.
That's crazy, bro.
I was crazy once.
I wish I was make. I am not.
I really hope this is not. Please, 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 please. Oh my god. Come on, Chili Willy. Come on, Chili Willy. Come on, Chili Willy. Never cared more about Chili Willy in my life. Come on, let's end up winning this. If I lost, I just because of all this. Yeah, the finish line is right over here. I just want this video. That's how it goes. It's like just get into it. This is like more like a casual playthrough. Please, I need to hold on to this thing. Honestly, I think that's going to honestly, I really don't know, so hit me right where it's about to Wow, that was the luckiest thing in the world. I have a lot of items I want to actually. Honestly, but I think
Team building against freaking. Oh, both Pepperell and Gamer.
and
Hee 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 ha.
I'm ready to lose against PBR, so I'll game partner, I'll cook a little bit.
I'm so excited to watch you play G for Gamer and Peverell Artemis.
Okay, I
Hold
think.
this lead? Yes! Yes! I'm free! I'm free from the speedrun! I'm free!
Yeah. Gamer, stop. I'm getting swept. I don't care if I bring a goddamn game. Getting swept.
I agree.
This run should have been at least 16 on the minutes better. Shoulda, woulda, coulda though.
Let's see here. Yeah.
Jesus, this was awful.
Like, I have an idea of a team to bring. And I think I'll at least be able to take Pagos, but even if Pagos is gone, everything else